Okay, notes N-1-3, part 4, I think. This is getting to be a ridiculously long worksheet. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, I was going to go grab the calculator and show you how to graph and see the points where it crosses the x-axis. That would be our solution. But unfortunately, I ran into the technical difficulty of no batteries for my calculator. So, I'm going to show you another little trick. I said this looks like a quadratic, but we weren't able to use our steps to come up with our middle term. Well, here's kind of the deal. The only way you're going to get x to the fourth is if you had x squared times x squared. Okay? And the only way we're going to get the 1, sorry, actually, now I see what my mistake was. That should be a plus 1 because when we brought it to the other side. Okay, so now it actually, the whole quadratic thing would work, but the only way to get positive 1 is to have 1 times 1. So to have negative 2, they must have both been minus 1 here and here. Okay, which means since these are perfect squares, that's going to be x plus 1 times x minus 1 times x plus 1 times x minus 1. And there's all our factors, which means x is equal to 1 and negative 1. Okay. Alrighty. Now the next says a little different idea. It says solve for the specified variable. Okay. Give myself a little space here. Alright. So we're looking to solve for the variable h. So we want to isolate the h, get it all by itself. I typically find it easiest to remove everything around it and just leave it standing where it is. So that's the approach I'm going to take right now. Okay, so 1/2 is being multiplied, b is being multiplied, so the opposite of multiplication is division. So if I divide by 1/2 b, then that leaves me just h. But as you know, you can't just arbitrarily start doing some math here. Okay, you have to keep things in balance. So on this side, that would be 1/2 b as well. Now I could leave it like that, but I can tell you that's probably not going to be a multiple answer choice left written that way. Because if I'm dividing by 1/2, that's the same as multiplying by 2. So more likely, we would see 2a over b equals h, or even more likely, h equals 2a over b. Okay. Alright. Now I'm going a little crooked again. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, so over here we have ax plus by equals ab for b. Okay. Now I have b in 2 separate locations, so I want to try and get both b's on the same side of the equation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and subtract by from both sides. So now I have ax equals ab minus by. Alright, now both of these have a factor of b, so I could rewrite this side as b times a minus y. Didn't change the ax. And now to get b completely isolated, I would divide by a minus y on either side of the equation. Okay, so final answer, b equals ax over a minus y. And we have finally completed notes in N1-3. Thank you.